to start importing products from Shopify to Odoo. So first of all, you need to know that I, for the test purposes, created a product in Odoo just to demonstrate the functionality of auto mapping. And let's go to e-commerce, Shopify demo. Let's go to initial import tab. What we do, we click import product from external. As explained here, what will happen, the validation of products in external and the Odoo will happen. Then products will be created in menus, e-commerce, external, product and variants in these menus. And there will be attempt to auto-match product by internal reference or barcode with existing Odoo products. So let's click and see what will happen. As you can see, there is a pop-up saying that there is a problem with the product variant in Shopify with a quick link to this product. Let's go and check it. As showed here, product variant without reference in e-commerce system. So let's go and add SKU. Okay. And also there is a problem in Odoo. There is a product in Odoo without internal reference. I have selected it. Actually, it is mandatory to have this internal reference because auto mapping will happen by it. Okay, so we have fixed everything. Let's click and let's click import product from external again. You see that there was a queue job, automatic queue job created. Here it was already executed. You see that there is initial product import. If you have thousands of products, it is done in batches, and then the batch of products will be imported step by step. So it doesn't matter how many products you have in Shopify, they all will be synchronized successfully because they are not synced all they're synced not all together by batches. Okay, so what have happened? If you go to e-commerce, external, products, you see there are products, there are variants created. Also, if you go to mapping, we have that there are now 83 missing mappings. You go to products, and if you check, there is one product that was automatically mapped by internal reference. Flip over because the internal references is the same. Okay, so now what you can do is click import product from this menu. Or what you can do, you can like this, for example, yeah, and then automatically this product will be created in Odoo. Or what you can do, you can go to e-commerce, initial import, and click a mass action, create products in Odoo. So all those products that were not automatically matched, they will be created. Also, this will happen asynchronously, so you can observe the process. You see that there are lots of jobs started. Let's finish the execution. If you go to sales products, you will now see that all products are created step by step as long as job finishes with all the images and attributes inside it. Run manually. The first thing to consider is that you see that now we have failed jobs, and we will see the reason when we go into details. Next important thing, when new sales order is downloaded from Shopify to Odoo, it is first coming as a raw data inside these plates. So this is needed for debug purposes. Okay. So we see that there is it is in draft state and there is a failed job. Let's investigate what happened. So you can see that there are issues with shipping methods mapping. There is an integration exception. Okay, we can click import external records. Okay, so now after importing the shipping method, we can see that the job, this sales order was transferred to done status, and you see that the related sales order was created. Note that by default sales order will get number, standard Odoo number, plus the number in the Shopify. If you would like to change the naming of the sales order, you go to sales order defaults and set sales order prefix. Here, for example, you would like to have like Shopify. And started from now, these sales orders will be automatically created with Shopify / name of the sales order in external system. Okay, let's go and see what happened to what actually happened to the sales order. Let's go here. So you see that sales order is confirmed. We see that invoice is created. We see that it is validated and posted. So all seems to be good, but no payment is registered. If we go to integration workflow, we can see that what actually happened with sales order. So validate sales order was done, picking validation skipped because it's not yet fulfilled, of course. We see that there is a create invoice, validate invoice done, and register payment is in progress or having issues. So the reason of this, if you go to job queue, there is no payment journal defined on payment method in the menu e-commerce integration after workflow payment method. In the payment journal column, Shopify demo payment method. So let's go e-commerce integration after workflow payment method. You see that there is a payment method bank. Now let's check the job and click requeue job. Now the job was finished, and if you go to invoice, you see that invoice was actually marked as paid. So workflow has finished. As we have downloaded the sales order, we would like to deliver it and send tracking number from Odoo to Shopify. Let's go to e-commerce integration for this, and in jobs we will select export tracking number job checkbox. So tracking numbers will be sent from Odoo to Shopify automatically. Let's go to the delivery. Let's select a tracking reference. So for test purposes, we are adding it manually, but if you are using some FedEx or USPS delivery carrier, it will be filled in automatically on delivery order validation. So let's go, let's click validate, apply. Okay, so we go to Successful integration, expert tracking, job successfully finished. Let's go to Shopify. And you see that status is fulfilled, and you see tracking number is now added. Now a new product. So let's imagine we would like to create a new product on Odoo side. Let's click. This will be a storable product in our case. Test product. Let's upload some image. There will be test ref 01. Okay. In e-commerce integration, this checkbox is set automatically. The reason of it, because on the integration itself, we have selected add new products automatically. So whenever you create a new product, this checkbox will be set automatically. Now we select, for example, this is like a service. Oh no, it's like component. It's for the category. Okay, the price will be 1000. Okay, so we saved the product. There are no failed jobs. Let's go to job. There is a job for expert in product. There is information that product was successfully created. Let's go to Shopify. Let's find the test product. So here it is. This is the test product. That's it. An inventory quantity. So if we go to first of all e-commerce integration and go to jobs, click expert inventory job enabled. The checkboxes should be set. Then we go to inventory tab and select allocation that will be used to find your inventory quantities. So only amount of products that are in these locations will be exported to external system. That allows you to design your warehouse and to isolate it in a way that part of warehouse will be sold online, part will be only offline and online, for example. Okay, that's it. Now let's go to sales products, acoustic block screen. We click update quantity. We put 1000, click apply. So now we have 1000 items on hand. We don't have failed jobs. We see that there is a job for expert in inventory. It is successfully finished. Let's go to the product. And you see that there is 1000 items available on hand.